All right, guys, so we're going to torque this down to 41 foot-pounds, as you can see. So let's do this right now. We're going to hear the beep. That's it. And then we're going to go down here and do the other one. I'm getting in there. Hold on, I'm trying to get in there. There we go. And that's it, 41 foot-pounds, and we're done. The brakes are completely on the vehicle. When you can do the job in your driveway with no problems, right torque and everything, these things come off very easy. And use anti-seize and silicone paste on the pins, and you're good. Now we got to do one more thing and put the steering wheel back to normal. All right, let's put that steering wheel back to normal. Give me 1 second. Always turn your vehicle when you need to get the grip. Work with the car. Don't work against the car. Work with the car and don't go against the car. When you turn this, you can take off your caliper mounting bolts easier. Alright, so we're going to put this back. Where is that thing at? We're going to put this guy back. Now remember, she goes this way in. Get her in this way somehow. She's got to go in this way. Wait, wrong way. I think wrong way. Hold on. Wrong way, my bad. Alright, so she goes in this way. You got to put her in this way, see? This goes in, this goes up here, and you got to push it in. Now just put this like that, and then hopefully it goes in. It should just go in. Hold on. First get this one in. Let's get this one in first. Let's get that one in first. And then we're going to get this one in. And now you put this one. And there you go. Now all you want to do is get this one to go in. You get this one to go first. But for some reason she does not want to go in. I never had these much problem with these things. There we go. We're in. And now, there you go. That's it. That's all you do to this. This has to go in, or these things are going to flop back and forth. And you're going to hear like bouncing around on the brake. So these go in. Now you want to make sure she's in. Just put a little crowbar in. Hold on. Put this in. Make sure she goes in. And there she's in. Now make sure she's not going to come out. She's not coming out at all. She's in. So we're done. Great job, it's done. And this is how you change brakes on a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited 3.6. Hope the video will help. You can do this in your driveway. Let me know if you tried this in your driveway. I love doing this in my driveway. I love working on this car. Also, she's jacked up on the cross member, and she has a jack stand for safety. Also, the wheels under the vehicle. Always think safe on your vehicle when you're working on your car in your driveway when you don't have a lift. We're going to put the tire on, and we're going to torque down the lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds. And we're done with the car.